the first 3D printed home was sold. And so for those of you that aren't familiar with 3D printing for construction, check it out. Go to YouTube and check it out. But you're going to see that machines get placed in specific locations within the building envelope on the lot. And then the robot will start to frame out a foundation and walls and roof made of concrete. And it looks like when you go to Dairy Queen and get soft serve ice cream, that's what it looks like. It's sort of swervy and squiggly, and it's soft at first, and then it dries into a hardened structure. And then once it's dry, you go in and do your interior finishes and fit out. And it's an amazing technology, and it's a fraction of the cost of framing out with lumber or any other material. And this is an incredible technology. We talk about things that are the future and what to invest in. As someone who's in the construction business, I can tell you that I'm definitely interested in a lower cost solution to build and renovate and construct if there's one available. So if I can 3D print a building or a home instead of frame it out and deal with these lumber costs, I mean, it's a big deal.